Now, dear student, let me just start giving you the function or a working of each and every parts. Let me start from the magnetic field, right, or field magnet. As I told you, this north and south pole are utilized. Make my words quite clear. एक word को अच्छे से सुनना. These north and south poles of the field magnet are utilized to create a very strong magnetic field, but of constant magnitude. And just observe their direction. From north to south, it will be the straight line. Yes, you might raise the question. आप ये बोल सकते हो कि sir, the magnetic field line always have concentric nature. They always have concentric nature of this type, north to south. But let me say you, if I have only one end of north pole of a magnet, and if I will place it quite close to south pole of the another magnet, then yes, there will be the concentric field line, बनेंगे concentric field line. But आप मुझे बताओ, if these two are placed quite close to each other, then among these magnetic field line, there are few field line which are completely straight, right? Let me say you, this field line are known as magnetic flux. But in class 10th, you doesn't have to read about the magnetic flux line. That's why I'm not going to explain it in the wide form. हम आपको नहीं explain कर पा रहे हैं, but फिर भी आप सुने, what is that magnetic flux? If the magnetic field line always act normal to the plane of surface, normal means 90 degree. अगर magnetic field line 90 degree पे किसी surface पे act हो रहा हो या penetrate कर रहा हो, then those magnetic field lines are known as magnetic flux. And in an electric motor, we have to deal about the magnetic flux. हमें magnetic flux को deal करना होता है, right? That's why these two magnets are placed quite close to each other, right? So that the concentric field line will be converted into straight line, so that they always act at an angle of 90 degree, right? So what is that function of magnetic field line? Is that clear to you all? Once again I will repeat it. What is that function? The function of magnetic field line is to provide a constant and very strong magnetic field within this area. But it will be possible when we place these two magnetic field line quite close to each other. Once again I repeat it. It will be possible when we place these two magnetic field line quite close to each other. In this scenario, the magnetic field line always act at an angle of 90 degree. And then this magnetic field line will be described as the magnetic flux line. This magnetic field line is described as the magnetic flux line. So, what is the role of magnetic field magnet? To create the flux line, right? And flux line, once again I will repeat it. Flux line means the magnetic field of very strong and constant magnitude.